The Atlas credit card functions as a financial tool that offers users the ability to access credit and manage their expenses. Here's how it works. Application. Users apply for an Atlas credit card through the designated platform, often online or via a mobile app. The application process requires users to provide personal and financial information for evaluation. Approval. Upon submission, Atlas assesses the user's creditworthiness based on various factors such as income, credit history, and debt-to-income ratio. Once approved, users receive their physical or virtual credit card details. Credit limit. Atlas assigns a credit limit to each approved user based on their financial profile. This limit determines the maximum amount users can borrow using the credit card. Spending. Users can use their Atlas credit card for various transactions, including purchases, bill payments, and cash advances. The card can be used at merchants globally, both online and offline, wherever credit cards are accepted. Repayment. Users are required to repay any outstanding balances on their Atlas credit card according to the terms outlined in the card agreement. This typically involves making monthly payments, which may include minimum payments or full balance payments. Fees and interest. Atlas may charge fees for certain transactions or services, such as annual fees, late payment fees, or foreign transaction fees. Additionally, users are subject to interest charges on any outstanding balances carried over from month to month. Benefits and features. Atlas credit cards may offer various benefits and features, such as rewards programs, cashback incentives, travel perks, or purchase protections, depending on the specific card's terms and conditions.